Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking scope and listing activities. This is the engine for CPM. Once you have durations in days and clear dependencies, enter each task into your CPM tool or spreadsheet. Make sure to tag resources and constraints as you go. Don't pause on formatting. Focus on completing the activity list and linking predecessors. After that, run the first forward pass to compute earliest starts and finishes so you can see the schedule shape and identify initial critical candidates. Once the forward pass yields earliest start and finish dates, perform the backward pass to determine latest starts and finishes. You'll calculate float for each activity. Float shows schedule flexibility, so highlight zero float tasks as critical. Make sure to examine resource conflicts and apply leveling only after understanding float impacts. If adjustments change predecessors or durations, rerun both passes immediately. This maintains consistency and reveals shifting critical paths as you optimize allocations and compress or extend tasks. You finalize by confirming the critical path and setting a baseline to lock the plan for tracking. Once baselined, record progress, track variances, and update remaining durations honestly. This keeps earned value and forecasts reliable. If results diverge from expectations, first recheck dependency links, then validate duration estimates and resource peaks. Make sure to rerun forward and backward passes after any fix. Finally, communicate changes to stakeholders and use the updated CPM outputs to guide corrective actions and contingency execution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.